Hi, this is Joe from Arduware, and now I am going to show you a small demo of the OpenLCD interface in action. So here we have a 5-inch LCD screen, and on the back part you can see that we have the LCD connector, the power circuitry, and the SPI video module. This board is powered by a normal wall mount power supply, 9 volts. And this power supply also gives power to the Arduino Uno that is connected here and to this Raspberry Pi Zero that we will connect later with the HDMI interface. So now I will power on and you will see the Arduino part working. As you can see, the render of the images is quite fast. And now what I will do is I will turn off and exchange the video module for the HDMI video module. I will connect the Raspberry Pi to the 5 volts and turn on. So as you can see, the Raspberry Pi is booting. I will move the camera a bit. And now we have a Raspberry Pi using exactly the same LCD screen as the one we use with the Arduino. So we connect the mouse so you can see. So the mouse is connected and we can use the applications from the Raspberry Pi. So this is the first prototype that we have working. The touch screen is the only part that is missing yet, but we'll be working on it in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow our project in the Hackaday.